Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm doing a challenge video. So this is something that I've seen around for some time, but I just never got around to doing it. So recently I saw Carly Bible doing this challenge, which is the 5-minute challenge. So pretty much you have to do a full face in 5 minutes, and I'm scared. 5 minutes is not enough time for me to do anything, so we'll see how I do. So let me go ahead and start the timer. I'm freaking out. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Hold on, I forgot my mirror. And it starts now. Oh my god. The pressure, the stress. Alright. That's enough. Just some concealer. Oh my god, where's my brush? Oh my god. Three more. This is what I'm gonna have to start doing every morning. 5 minutes. Okay, some blush. Oh my god. Open up. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's not blending. I'm filming! Oh my god. I failed. So this is what I did. I guess it's not horrible, it's okay. The wings are just bad. I mean, for 5 minutes, maybe from afar it doesn't look too bad. I didn't even get to put on lashes. Like 5 minutes is not enough time for me. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this challenge. I'm gonna try to do a couple of more challenges. Maybe I'll try doing your makeup with no mirror, the no mirror challenge, I think it's called. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.